Hey Celeb 20 fans. Today we are diving into an exciting story about the wild world of the Dutton family in 1923 season 2, starring Hollywood legends Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren. You don't want to miss this. Get ready to settle up Celeb 20 crew because the Dutton family is back on our screens and they are bringing all the drama, grit and heart we love. If you have been missing the epic cowboy vibes of Yellowstone since it wrapped up, you are in for a treat. Tomorrow, February 23, 2025, marks the premiere of 1923 Season 2, the sizzling prequel to Yellowstone that's already streaming on Paramount+. Plus. And guess what? It's packed with stars like Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren, plus tons of twists that will keep you glued to your seat. Let's break it all down in a way that's fun, easy, and totally addictive, Slap 20 style. So what's 1923 all about? Picture this. In 1923, way before Kevin Costner's John Dutton 3 from Yellowstone even existed, we are diving into the lives of his ancestors, the Duttons, who are fighting tooth and nail to keep their massive ranch in Montana. Back then, they are dealing with some crazy stuff like big problems from prohibition when alcohol was banned, a scary financial crash on the horizon, and shady politicians and rich tycoons trying to snatch their land. Sound intense? It totally is. And just that, like John Dutton 3, these Duttons aren't backing down. They are ready to defend their home with everything they have got. Leading the charge this season are Kara and Jacob Dutton, played by the legendary Helen Mirren and Harrison Ford. These two are the heart of the family and they have raised their nephew Spencer, played by Brandon Skinner, and their own son. But here's where it gets juicy. Spencer's a war hero who has been through the ringer and now he is stuck waiting to unite with his British wife, Alexandra Julia Schleifer. Poor Alex got separated from Spencer on the wild trip back to the Africa and now she's on a daring adventure through unknown lands to find her way back to him. Will they make it? We are biting our nails over here at Slap 20 and we know you will be too. But wait, how do you actually watch this epic show? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Celeb 20 fans, 1923 is an original series on Paramount Plus, so you will need a subscription to catch the action. The good news, you can try it for free. Paramount Plus has two plans, one with ads for $7.99 a month and a fancier ad-free version for $12.99 a month. But here's the coolest part. If you are an Amazon Prime member or want to sign up for a 30-day free trial, you can add Paramount Plus through Prime Video channels and snag a 7-day free trial. That means you can binge the season 2 premiere happening this Sunday, Feb 23 at midnight Eastern Time, that's 9 p.m. Pacific Time on Saturday night without spending a dime. How awesome is that? New episodes of 1923 will drop every Sunday at the same time, so mark your calendars and set those reminders. Slap 20 crew. We are talking weekly doses of Dutton drama and you won't want to miss a single second. Whether you are chilling at home with popcorn or sneaking a peek on your tablet during study break, this show is perfect for fans of all ages who love a good story with heart-pounding action and unforgettable characters. Let's talk about the stars because hello, this cast is stacked. Harrison Ford, the iconic guy from Indiana Jones and Star Wars, is bringing his charm and grit as Jacob Dutton, the tough patriarch who's seen it all. And there is Helen Mirren, yes, the queen of acting from The Queen and Fast and Furious as Cara Dutton, his fierce wife who has got a heart of gold and a spine of steel. Together they are raising Spencer, who is not just a war hero but also a total heartthrob on screen. And don't sleep on Julia Schleifer as Alexandra. She's got that British elegance but also the guts to brave the wild to find her love. Plus there is a whole crew of other awesome characters like Jerome Flynn as a Scottish sheep herder, Darren Mann as Jack Dutton, Jacob's great nephew, and Isabel May as Elsa Dutton, who narrates the story with a voice that will put you right in. It's like a big dramatic family reunion you can't look away from. Now, if you are new to the Yellowstone universe, here's a quick crash course to get you hyped. 1923 is part of a mega saga that started with 1883, which showed how the Duttons first settled in Montana, led by Tim McGraw and Faith Hill as James and Margaret Dutton, Spencer's parents. 1923 picks up decades later, showing how their legacy continues through Jacob, Kara, and Spencer. Then Yellowstone jumps to modern times with John Dutton 3. It's like a giant family tree full of epic stories, and 1923 season 2 is the next thrilling chapter. If you love cowboys, family feuds, and breathtaking landscapes, this is your jam. Let's zoom in on why this show is so special. 1923 isn't just about ranching. It's about love, survival, and standing your ground against the odds. Think about it. Have you ever had to fight for something you love, like your favorite toy or a sport on the soccer team? The Duttons are doing that on a huge scale, facing off against greedy bad guys and crazy challenges. And with stars like Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren, it's got that Hollywood magic we all adore. Plus, the 1920s setting, think old-timey cars, fancy dresses, and jazz music adds such a cool vibe. It's like stepping into a history book that's way more exciting than any school lesson. We don't know exactly how many episodes season 2 will have yet, but season 1 had 8, so we are guessing it will be around that many. That means weeks of edge of your seat moments like Spencer's desperate wait for Alexandra or Jacob and Kara's epic battles to save their ranch. Will Spencer and Alex finally reunite? Will the Duttons lose their land to those sneaky politicians and tycoons? We are dying to find out, and we know you are too, Slap 20 fans. Here's a fun idea to get you even more pumped. Grab your friends and family, make some popcorn, and host a 1923 watch party every Sunday night. Dress up in 1920s inspired outfits, think floppy hats or suspenders, and guess what will happen next. It's a perfect way to bond over this awesome show and feel like you're part of the Duttons crew. And if you are into social media, snap some pics and tag Slap 20. We'll share the best ones with our crew. So why 1923 season 2 such a big deal? It's not just about cowboys and ranches, it's about hearts, tree, and Hollywood legends. With Harrison Ford and Helen Mirren leading the pack, plus a story that's got love, danger, and drama, it's the kind of show that will have you cheering, crying, and gasping all at once. And with a free trial on Paramount Plus through Prime Video, there is no excuse not to jump in, Slap 20 style. Thanks for hanging out with us here on Slap 20. Are you as excited for 1923 season 2 as we are? Who is your favorite Dutton, Jacob, Kara, or Spencer? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing stories.